Here I have Oppo A16, and today I'm going to show you how to switch camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, go to the advanced settings, and here you have Flip Selfie. So we can only use this feature for the front camera. So let's, for example, take one photo, no, not video, one photo like this, and another one without this feature. And as you can see, these both photos, they are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.